What will you do if you found out that your partner only stays because of your money?
So, unang-una sa lahat ay, bago kayo pumasok sa isang relasyon, dapat alam mo kung ang habol sa'yo, yung pera mo. Diba? Umpisa pa lang. Kasi, kung alam mo na umpisa pa lang, gano'n na habol sa'yo ng partner mo, eh, alam mo na, hihiwalayin ka din yan. Lalo na, pagka wala na yung pera mo. Kasi yun yung nagustuhan niya sa'yo, yung pera mo, hindi ikaw.
Yeah.
So, your bad sides, your kung sino ka man, wala. Hindi yung nagmamatter sa partner mo. Kasi nga, ang magmamatter sa kanya, yung pera mo. In our case, we don't have that kind of issue. Why? Kasi we have each other. Nung nag-uumpisa pa lang kami.
Oo.
Nag-uumpisa pa
When we
lang
had
kami.
nothing,
We
kasama
just-
na kami.
We have nothing, we just have each other.
Yeah, we had nothing,
Dami
we
na.
only have each other.
Yeah.
But the thing is, we build everything we have
Yes, we
together.
build the empire that we have right now. We build the family that we have right now.
We
Now
build
with each
whatever
other.
what we have right now together.
Yeah, together.